I already had the bed off, right? And I told myself I should put a fuel pump in it now. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's here. It's right here in front of me. I even had it out and cleaned the interior of the tank. It was $107. So when in doubt, pull it out. All right? Pull it out and replace it. It ain't worth the trouble keeping it in. Good morning or afternoon. It's afternoon now. Good afternoon. Today on Rotor Vision, we got to fix my truck. So it's a 2001 GMC 2500 HD SLT. So she's pretty much loaded. She's in pretty good shape for the year, 20 years old, 107,000 miles on her. She got brand new tires. She's got a brand new back rack. She got new bumpers. What else? Well, I've gone through this whole damn thing. Everything. She got some rust on the bed, starting to rust. Usually at this age, this is all gone. It's probably all gone under here, but who knows? Doors are all in good shape. Rockers are in good shape. She got some rust on this side, bumper. I'd like to get a new bumper. And then this rear door. This door is starting to rot. This one is beautiful. So I've had this truck for like 3 months. And I've pulled the bed off it, needle gunned the frame. I've undercoated everything. I've put in the new cross members. Every damn cross member has been replaced, even the transmission cross member. Brake lines, fuel lines, what else? Tune up, injectors, coils. I've gone through the truck. New alternator. I put the truck back together. Of course, I had no gas in it because I cleaned the fuel tank. I put 5 gallons in it to get it to the gas station. I fill it up and the fuel gauge is not reading properly. It will be full, empty, bounces all around. So that means I got to pull the bed back off and put a fuel pump in it, which is not a hard job because it's like 8 bolts, some things here, some things there, and the bed pops right off. The worst part is it's undercoated. So you know what that means. I'm gonna get messy, and that's I don't like it. I don't want to get messy, but it needs to be done. So I'm gonna crawl underneath this thing. I'm gonna take the bolts out, unhook the fuel fill, unhook the taillight wiring. It's just a plug and play. Then I'll get the tractor and pick the bed up and replace the fuel pump. So why don't you hang out right here? The last time I lifted it off, I didn't have the rear bumper. So this time I have to be real careful when I pick it up not to hit the bumper or the cab. I might have got in the cab just a little. It's a 20-year-old truck. I mean, it's not like it's friggin' mint. She ain't mint. We just found out Looney has heartworms. He's not good. Luna, you say hi? Say hi. Say, we're gonna get them heartworms out of you, aren't we? We're gonna do the best we can to try to get rid of those heartworms. Daisy's like, yeah, we can do it. Right, Daisy? All right, guys, you guys are co-stars here. You gotta help me. Alrighty, let's see. I was thinking it was 17 millimeter, but I think I'm wrong. Am I wrong? No, I'm wrong. Alright, so it's smaller than 17. I gotta say, I did a really good job undercutting this thing because I am getting messy already. Alright, I need the correct size socket and whatever tools to take the fuel fill off. And 3 out of 7. Yeah, I said 7 because I only put 7 in it. Did I tell you I was laying in mud here? This is like mud. It's nice grass mud. Alright, I just gotta take these 3 bolts out. Screws, I guess. And then that's all unhooked and this bed's ready to come off. Alright, bed's unhooked. I gotta go dig the tractor out because it's blocked in. But I'll pull the truck ahead, pull the tractor around behind, and we'll pick it up and move her back. Alright, back at it. I'm gonna lift this bed off with the tractor. I got these special lifting devices that go across the bed. Pretty much hooked up. I got my 2x4s across and I'll come right under with the forks and pick it up. I might have to adjust so I can get it, you know, I don't want it like, you know, I want to pick it up square. That way it doesn't hit the bed or the bumper. I didn't have the bumper on before, so it's a tight fit. So I'll pick it up and then I'll back it right up and then we'll do the fuel pump thing. So let me find a spot for you so you can watch the shenanigans. All right, there it is, bed off. Bed sitting on the ground, nice and safe. Everything came off good here. So now I've got to fix this, so I need a hammer. And that's about it. I'll go get the tools. But yeah, here it goes. New bumper. New spare tire cross member, more new gas tank member. This one I did not replace, surprising. New bed mount. What else did we do? We did brakes, rotors, calipers, stainless steel brake lines, flex hoses, diff fluid. Geez, what else? E-brake works, needs to be adjusted though. I cleaned the tank, the fuel lines, needle gunned it all. All right, I bought a Bosch 67429 off eBay. Seemed to be the cheapest place. It's brand new. Same plug. There's my little whoop, whoop, whoop. So we'll test it this time before we put the bed back on. Oh, there's a rubber seal. All right, we'll get the old one out, put the new one in. Counterclockwise. Just like that. Like I said, I've had this apart, so I knew it was gonna come apart easy. Oh yeah. The seal looks upside down. Look, I think they put the seal in upside down, right? Yeah. Why the frig did they do that? Look, the seal is upside down. Ah. All right, the seal. Okay, looks good. Looks like easy enough to change. Okay, I want that pointed right that direction. Okay. That looks good. Get her started. So she, oh yeah, looks like it moved a little. Then you just hammer this thing until it, hammer her tight. There, that should be good. Take my gloves off and let's see what the fuel gauge does. How much gas you think was in it? I have no idea how much gas was in it. But don't mind the dash. It's a work in progress. So it's reading, I'd swear it has more gas than that. You know what I'm gonna do is, that's kind of why the gauges are off, because I was fixing them. So it might be just out of calibration. But there it is, 107,974 miles. 20-year-old truck with 107,000 miles. So we'll get the bed back on. Right here while I adjust everything. Quarantine. Oh my God, I can actually see the hole. Oh, now I can't see the hole, too far. Perfectly lined up. I nailed it. I just gotta put these 3 screws back in. All right, we'll just pick up my mess right here. When I mean pick it up, I mean just pile it right there. Ooh, I got new cabin filters to put in this thing too. Tailgate, we'll put the tailgate on. That one. That one. Like I said, it's a nice working tailgate. I actually thought there was an issue. It worked so good. All right, filled her up with gas. Gas gauge came right up to full. So that was friggin' awesome. And so I can probably put the dash back together. I did adjust the, I adjusted the miles per hour going down the road. It was like 10 miles an hour off because I had to fix a couple things in the dash. Fuel gauge seems to be dead on. All the other gauges are dead on. So I can definitely put some, I can start putting that back together. Now I wonder where it all is. Here we are, Maritime parking lot, putting your truck back together. Right? Throw some screws in this bezel. Oop, maybe I don't, I'm not rushing it. I don't want to throw the screws in yet. I got to put the lens in first. The lens. I don't even know if I can get this in. Just like that. Now I can put the screws in it. I can put the screws right to Did I lose a screw? Oh, I just lost 2 screws. Where'd that go? There it is. Got it. Is that a little better with some light, or is that sun in the way? You know, the other thing is we gotta check the blinkers because I, you know, had all that wiring apart. Want to make sure we're legit when we call Jeffrey for a sticker. He'd check it anyways, but it's some embarrassing showing up with something not working. Oh no! Where'd you go? That's only going to get 3 screws. This can get a little tight. sure you put it in park before you jump out. Something over here is not clipping. There it goes. All right, we're in park. We're gonna check the blinkers. Flip dash back together. Beautiful. That one's blinking. That one's blinking. We're good. We're awesome. Can't really hit the brakes, and I can't hit the brakes and see it at the same time. Okay, there we go. So, biggest thing is now you guys need to figure out what's wrong with my misfire. What is wrong with my misfire? I have a right trucker mode here, and it says it's number 1 and number 6. See? It's a PO 300 code, and when you get on the scan tool, you can see 1 and 6 are misfiring. I've done plugs, I've done plug wires, I've done coils, I've done injectors. I even put the light on the injector wire. I mean, I can't see a misfire. And mind you, I've done this twice. And I've even moved, say, the number 1 injector to the number 3 hole. Still getting the same misfire. So I want to do a camshaft learn. My scan tool says it'll do it. Look, I'm getting all stuffed up because of the mice and stuff that have been in this thing. But so anyways, my scan tool says it'll do it. When I plug it in, run through the system, it, you know, you do a VIN check, it comes up with a truck and everything, and then you do the relearn, and it says it's not communicating. So I don't know if I've got a ECM, PCM issue, a wiring issue because of the mice, but that's where we're at.